We dream of offering future generations a world that lives up to their aspirations. A world where energy doesn't destroy, but sustains life. To achieve this, we must rethink how we produce and use energy. At Canimex, we know it's time to act. For more than 50 years, we have supported our partners with innovative solutions. Discreet, but always essential. Today, we are accelerating the transition towards new energy solutions, not just to follow a trend, but to meet the real needs of users and industries. Electrification is not just about the environment. It is a powerful lever for efficiency, reliability, and performance. It enables quieter equipment, zero emissions in enclosed spaces, less maintenance with extended intervals, and a tangible reduction in operating costs. We are here, there, and everywhere innovation comes to life. We are proud to stand alongside those who are building the future by offering complete electrification solutions to optimize their equipment and drive their ambitions forward. We put our expertise at the service of those who think differently, those who see every challenge as an opportunity for transformation. Commitment to a sustainable and high-performing future is at the heart of our mission. We excel in power transmission and in innovations that turn ideas into reality. We move forward with you, every step of the way, from our hands-on employees to our customers around the corner, to your customers everywhere. Thanks to our dedicated employees across the four corners of the globe, we are ready to support you, wherever you are, with the goal of meeting the expectations of your customers. Together, we can do more than simply dream of a sustainable future. Let's build it. Our primary goal is serving all our customers' needs to contribute to people's quality of life every day.